11, sought through prayer and meditation to improve our conscious contact with God as we understood him, praying only knowledge of his will for us and the power to carry that out. In step 11, we are presented with the proposition that there is a big difference between awakening spiritually and growing spiritually. Many of us, through our previous step work, have started to feel the presence of something inside of us, something we now identify as a higher power. And in step 11, we're asked to keep that going and take it to a deeper, if you will, level. So the principal means of contact with a higher power in a 12-step sense are prayer and meditation, talking and listening. And in step 11, we're asked to boil that down even further to praying only for knowledge of his will for us, or our higher power's will for us, and the power to carry it out. Step 11 is the beginning of a lifetime search. There is no template on how to do it. It can take many different phases. It can involve reading books, church services, 12-step meetings, all kinds of facets. But for the first time in our life in step 11, we begin this lifetime search of looking deep down within ourselves for the power that we admitted we lacked in step 1.